at the right time. 'Cause suddenly
Hairline is everything, guys. Wow, look at the coils.
when you took my hand, said let's leave now.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, you're welcome. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in here I review wigs. You're in the right place, gorgeous. The hair I'll be revealing today is from Alibonnie Hair. Came in this bag here, in this cute bag you're seeing right here. Okay, so without wasting time, let's head into this hair review. The wig is Alibonnie Realistic 4C Edge Kinky Coily Wig. It's 13 by 4 HD lace front wig, and the density is 180 density natural hairline. It's in here. Okay, this is it. Oh, there are some goodies. Wow. There are some goodies that came with it. A pair of lashes, wig cap, edge brush, and a hairband that is written Alibonnie. Thank you so much for all these goodies. We appreciate. We appreciate Alibonnie. So this is the wig. How many inches is this wig? Okay, it's 22 inches. Can you guys see? It's written here, 22 inches. Wow. Ooh, guys. Ooh. Let's talk about this lovely hair. Guys, just look at this. Look at the hairline. Natural. And look at the hair. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is lovely. Look at the coils. This is 22 inches. This is lovely. And the hairline is everything, guys. The construction of the inside, you can see the lace from here to here because it's 13 by 4. And there are some combs in here and inbuilt adjustable strap. And at the back there is a lace. Okay, now look at it. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Guys, just take a look at the hairline. Look at this. This is so natural. This is so beautiful. And look at the hair. The coils are so tiny and they are lovely. Let me zoom back a little. Okay, you guys can see this. Wow, I really love this hair. I love this hair. So we're going to do center part. I think so. The center part we're going to create. Yeah, let's create center part. I really love this hair, guys. I'm in love. And the texture is so cool. So cool. This is really natural hair. If you like natural hair, you're going to love this hair. So this is the center part. So guys, in case if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link on the description box and the link to their website. Okay, in case if you don't like coily hair, maybe you like any other type of wig, like straight one or colored, they have everything on their website. So I'm going to leave the link to their website on the description box, so check that out. All right, our part is done. So we're going to cut the excess lace. following the hairline.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down.
I'll use gel.
Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought,
So I use the styling gel to lay this. This is my part. I'll use hair mousse.
we're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, down, down.
I'm going to separate the hair to make it look more natural. Just comb it like this.
That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, no words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no.
I'll hold it down.
We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no. Yeah. I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time.
So I'm going to remove this now. Let's see.
I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going.
So natural. So I just use the hair mousse on it. You can see my eyes is red. It is the turn inside my eye. So I'm putting cream. Show you guys how it will be when you add cream to it.
I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
So when you add cream, this is how it will be. So I did not add much, I just add little to it. I use Koilala. Okay, so you can use whatever cream you want.
I just wanna go my own way.
So I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, you check that out. It's from Alibonnie Hair. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. The hair is beautiful. I love the coils, the tiny coils. You guys can see coils are so tiny. I really love this. I know if you add water, it's going to coil them more.
I am on my way.